Welcome back. And if you're new here, hey, how are you? My name is Daniel with Spotlight, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing an unboxing of the Luxe Box for the 2021 holiday season. So this was a special offer I received because I'm an American Express card member. Now don't worry, I'm not affiliated with Luxe Box, with American Express. I'm not pushing credit cards or beauty products or anything like that. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. So for those unfamiliar, Luxe Box curates these gift boxes that includes 3 full-size beauty products plus 4 deluxe samples. Only 5,000 of these gift boxes were distributed all across Canada. And as an American Express card member, I could only order 2. So I ordered one for me out of curiosity and one for my mom because I'm the best son ever. The purchase window for these is super short. They only give you about 4 days or so to actually act on this. And my experience has been that they always sell out right away, first day, within a couple hours even. As for the price, these cost $20 Canadian with free shipping. Now, as I mentioned, this was a special offer for American Express card members. Normally, these boxes are available for $29 each, and they ship out 4 times a year. So what are we waiting for? Let's take a look at my box and see if it's right for you. Now, first impression, I was expecting it to be bigger, but as they say, size doesn't matter. So first glance, this is the inside of the box. Now I will be going through each item individually, giving you an idea of the price to see if this is really worth the $20 that we paid. Now the first item we have here is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. Now I'm not personally familiar with this brand, but there's the colors there. But upon doing a bit of research, this costs about $32 Canadian. So right off the bat, you've already paid for it. The second full-size product we have is this Entity Color Couture Gel Lacquer. Again, not familiar with this brand, but upon doing a bit of research, I think it was about $30 Canadian. So again, you've more than paid for this box already. It was $20 for the box, and you already have over $60 worth of product. The final full-size product is this Measurable Difference Unveil Sheer Moisturizing Lipstick. Again, I'm not familiar with this brand. After doing a little bit of research, it looks like it retails for only about $3, and it's actually on sale right now for $1.50. So these are your full-size items. My impression after reviewing these, I'm not familiar with these particular brands. I'm not an expert, but I do know a little bit about cosmetics, and I don't know these companies. Let me know in the comments if you've heard of these, if you've used any of these, what your experience has been, if they're good, if they're worth the money. Anyway, right off the bat though, we've already more than paid for this $20 Luxe Box because, as I said, we've got over $60 worth of product. Now let's take a look at these deluxe samples. So right off the bat, here's one I've actually heard of. It's the Benefit Super Curling and Lifting Mascara. It's really hard to judge the price of and the value of this because it is a sample, but I know that a full-size version of this costs about $37. Our second sample is Michael Kors Gorgeous Perfume. I actually am familiar with Michael Kors, as I'm sure most people are. Again, hard to judge based on a sample price, but I know for full size, you're looking at about $85 and up, depending on which size and what store you're getting it from. Next, for our deluxe samples, we have these Elizabeth Arden Retinol Ceramide Capsules. Again, this is a sample. But I know that, here, let me show you the bottle as well. There's a few in here. I know that a full size, you're looking at anywhere from 40 to 140 once again, depending on the size that you're actually going to be purchasing, and again, depending on the store. Our final sample is a Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, Primer, and Moisturizer in one. Again, this is a sample, but it's a decent size, mind you. But a full size will run you anywhere from $20 to $60, depending on the size and where you're purchasing it from online. They also did include this 20% off coupon for Smashbox in your box. So, is this box right for you? I actually think this is a really cute box, and I actually think for 20 bucks, you're getting your money's worth. If you've got somebody in your life who, you know, loves makeup, loves cosmetics, I think it'd be a great gift for somebody. You could also split this up, give it as like stocking stuffers, or give this as gifts to various friends. And for 20 bucks, you can't really go wrong. For me personally, there's not a whole lot in here that I'm gonna probably be using, except, I mean, maybe I'll use this line erasing night serum for my fine lines and wrinkles. But otherwise, this is probably all gonna end up going to my mom, so you're welcome, Mom. Most people do have favorite brands when it comes to cosmetics and makeup and everything like that. But I think a lot of people do actually like to try new products as well, because that's how you find out what you like and what you don't like. You may be in love with, you know, a particular moisturizer or cream, and then you try something new and you realize there is something actually better out there for you. So that's why I think these boxes are great. And again, you can split them up if there's something you don't like and give them to other people. Funnily enough, I actually only recognized the deluxe sample companies. I didn't actually recognize any of the full-sized companies. Again, I'm not an expert, I'm not a beauty expert by all means, but I thought it was a bit interesting that I only recognized the names of these sort of deluxe samples. And I think the deluxe is actually an appropriate name. You do get a decent size for a lot of these samples, so I think the word deluxe actually was used appropriately. But let me know in the comments, maybe you guys have heard of these companies, maybe I'm just an idiot and I've never heard of these before. So anyway, let me know if you've used any of these before, what you think, if they're any good, if they're worth a try. Anyway, thanks for taking a peek inside my box. If you like this video, please like, please subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, more unboxing or different things like that, let me know. We can keep making them. Why not? Once again, this has been Daniel Wright with Spot Right, and we'll see you next time. Bye.